Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. As soon as back at it, this is a 2021 Audi Q3. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the oil life reset. Yeah, All right. Before I get into that, please don't forget to hit the follow button. I'm saying, if you have any questions, put it in the comment box for me. All right, let's do this oil life reset. You're gonna see that message, right? Oil change due. All right, then come here. We press the start button once. Everything's gonna power up. All you gotta do is press this card right here. Press it. Then you come here, settings and service. Right here, service intervals. Click there. Now it says oil change has been due for it's been some time, maybe 2 months. Alright. All you gotta do is press this reset button. Are you sure you want to reset the oil change interval? Yes, reset now. The oil change interval has been reset. That's how you reset the oil life in this 2021 Audi Q3. Shout outs to my followers. Thank you for the love. See ya. Audi.